here to a review of this gun, Nerf gun, and yeah, I got this from the Easter Bunny. So I have the gun, and there's darts down there. The Easter Bunny got me a bunch more darts, and I have some scissors to cut them open. But we're going to start with the darts. So here you go. You have a bunch of darts in there. There's 10 darts in here. And it says Mega down there. And Strike. Mega Darts, Mega Distance. Mega Darts for Mega Distance. And it says Nerf up there. That's the Nerf logo. And Mega down there. Mega Series. On the back it says it's a type of gun, but here it shows you right there, like something like to read that, like you can read that it's about like what, you know, if it would, it shows you how the darts work, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's the darts. Now, here we have the actual gun. So you have 3 darts down here. You have the gun, Mega, right there. It says 85 feet. It shoots 85 feet. And have a Mega thing. The side just says Elite and Strike Elite. On the back here, it shows you fires up to 85 feet, top loading internal clip, 3 dart capacity. Built and clip. So up here, there's a little something to read. So if you want, you can get your glasses and pause to read that. So yeah, down here it says ages 8+, and I am 8. It says Magnus right there. So this is the Magnus. Let's get it out of the package. So first I'm gonna get the darts out of the package. I'm gonna show you what the darts are like and what they're made of, all that stuff. This is a country music channel. Why are they playing like Easter songs or a Christmas song or whatever it is? Here are the darts. Hang on, let me get them all out. So let's get all the darts out. So I have 13 darts, 10 here, then 3 in. Doing what you let them burn, holding her all night, doing what you want. Sing her ocean song, throwing words that don't belong. Sometimes we laugh till we almost cry. And doing what you love. So here are the darts. I like saving the boxes. But I have so many darts. Like, woo! So, the red foam down here, they're hollow inside. And then you have like a rubber orange tip up here. So, I guess you can make a weird finger puppet. I don't know what you can make it, but if you're an adult, just stick it on your pinky. It'll work a lot better. But, enough of that. Let's cut this open. Okay, I don't want to cut off any of the paint, like scrape off. I don't want to scrape off any of the paint with the scissors. Being really careful. This thing is hard to, like, cut. I can't. Is this gonna? This is too hard. Okay. Woo! This thing is. Good sounds better. Heavenly ride. Yeah, why? It's a heck of a lot. It's a heck of a lot. Okay, got that cut. Let's get this cut. Down, swing, down. Okay. This might just be the unboxing video. Yeah, this is gonna be only an unboxing video because, like, it's taking so long. Or not. Got the gun out. Let's get it open and look at the gun. And now let's take the bullets. And for some reason you have some instructions. So it shows you how to load it. So there they are. Here's a gun. Looking very cool. So we're gonna load this thing. Oh, I know what I have to do now. Woo! Yeah, this thing does shoot pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So just goes right in. You do that. So it does shoot pretty fast. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.